Iran strikes a US airbase. Gold bleeds $123.20 in one session. The Misfire. That's what this is. Every safe haven instinct says gold surges when Americans are targeted. Instead, $4,508.70 drains to $4,385.50. If you're holding right now, that gap feels wrong. It should. Here's the chain that explains it. IRGC strikes near Bandar Abbas. The trigger pulls. But the market reads this as a retaliatory skirmish, not a structural war. De-escalation gets priced in. The safe haven bid drains before it fires. Gold falls $123.20, 2.73% in a single session. If you're holding physical gold right now, the misfire doesn't mean the chamber is empty. Watch for a second IRGC statement. Watch whether the US responds militarily, not diplomatically. The trigger and the round are still in the chamber. Mainstream is calling this contained, but a 7 out of 10 urgency score with active IRGC targeting of US forces, that signal hasn't cleared. The misfire loaded the next round. Gold ignites.